Deal. Yes. I hope we get some better classes this time because the other time was so terrible. Rank 21. Why? I'm so bad. 21. You kidding me? Last time I got 21. Let's try to get 30. Yay, we get it. No, they're attacking us. No, can't die. We are too beautiful to die. No, no, stop. Yeah. Please don't kill us. Yes, she didn't. Don't- I don't know what to upgrade when I get that. I think I'm going to be Guardian. Yes, let's play Flag Guardian. This is getting interesting. I hope we don't die now. No, Nick, don't kill us. Yeah. Bullet damage. Yes, already rank 21. I'm going to steal it. Hehe. Who should find us? Who should see us? Or he? I don't know. No, no, don't kill us. Do we get rank 13? Please say we do. Body damage. Oh no 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 no! We died! No! No! God damn it! Why are we removing? Ah, need to start again. Come on. Please give me a rank 20. If I died. Why? Let's upgrade something else then. What should we upgrade? Boom, 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 boom. Let's be machine gun. Because this machine gun shoots much, much faster. Let's find those blue things. Another machine gun to kill us. Yeah. There need to be somewhere. No, 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 no. Yeah. We are so close to the dying. Oh my, we are going to die. We are going to die. No, you don't. This time we could so easily rank 21. I think I'm getting better this time too. No, we can't die again. Sorry if this video doesn't have an end. Yeah, sorry if it doesn't have an end. I hope it, I think it doesn't going to get push leaderboard number the worst. It's impossible, I think, because I'm so bad in this game, still in this game. Nick, don't kill us or Kevin. We're going to kill Kevin. We're going to kill Kevin? No, we don't. Leo kills Kevin. No, Lucky, don't. I'm so scared right now. I really want to get 30. Rank 30. Yes, let's get those blue ones. Only 4 levels to go. Phew. No, 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 no. Only 4 levels to go. Only 4. No, 3 levels. Two levels to go. Do we get level 13? Please save it to get level 13. If I don't get out, then I'm so angry. I really hope. Yes, a blue one, 2 blue ones. I hope we get this both. Yes, one level to go. One. Do we get it? Do we get? Yes, we get it. Let's be destroyer. Boom. That's why I wanna be destroyer, because never had this class. So those bullets are very slow but strong. They kill. They do lots of damage if they hit somebody. Yeah. Did you see that? If this video doesn't have a hint, then I will be in commentary. What level did I get? Okay, I think this is it for today, and we will see you next time.